To use the camera function in the CityScoop app, just open up the app, and the camera will do two things mainly. One is it will load any picture right up into your CityScoop media library for your blogs. So you can just open the app and take a photo and push a button. It'll send it right up to your CityScoop blog for blogging later. A company like, say, a painting company can take a before photo, maybe photos during the project, and an after photo, and load those up, and then have those in there in the blog ready to go for when they're going to post a quick article about that project. So to use the camera, you click the navigation button at the bottom down here. It'll overlay your logo as the other function onto an image, and that's going to be this logo here, which you can change by clicking the menu there and going to the settings page if you need to change your logo. The camera will lay that logo that you select there over a photo, like a watermark, or to brand your images. So you just take a photo, and then you can either retake it or use the photo. Once you're happy with your photo, select Use Photo. It'll pull it into the app. If you scroll down, you can click Submit, and it'll send it right up into the blog. But if you want to use the logo overlay feature, you just turn it on there, and then there's select position is down here below that drop down menu, and you can select where you want your logo to show on the photo. In this case, I chose top right so we could see it, but it's going to be depending on the photo itself. You might want to put it in a different location. The transparency toggle switch there, the lower to the left is lower, and it'll be more have a higher opacity. You can see through it more like a watermark. And if you go all the way to the right, you won't be able to see through it all. So depending on the picture, you might want to have the opacity, the transparency higher or lower. Then just click Submit, and it'll send it up to your CityScoop blog for putting into an article. It may take a minute depending on the size of the photo that your phone is taking, and you can change that setting on your phone, but usually it just takes a couple seconds, and you'll know it's done and has loaded up to the blog once you get the green success message at the bottom.